Today, I'm going to show you how to create unlimited, free Ghibli-style images without Grok. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button below. So, let's start the video. You can use this method on your computer or laptop as well, but today I tell you using the mobile. First, go to the Google Play Store or the App Store if you're on iOS. Click on the search box and type ChatGPT. Download the official ChatGPT app from there. I've personally tried many Ghibli-style image generators, but most of them are paid. So, I want to share a new way you can generate high-quality images for free, without limits. After opening the ChatGPT application, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap the icon to upload a photo. It might be a plus sign, paperclip, or image icon depending on the version. Upload the image you want to convert into a Ghibli-style image. Then, in the text box, type your request, for example, convert this image into Ghibli style, and send it. Now, just wait for a few seconds. I've personally used several different paid tools, but I highly recommend ChatGPT for a few reasons. First, it's free. Second, you can generate unlimited images. And finally, it produces high-quality results. That's it. As you can see, it generated a fantastic Ghibli-style image, which is often much better than what you might get from some paid tools.